So I'm going to talk about the joystick motion today. The joystick's basic idea is to translate what user input movement on the joystick to the digital data that the microcontroller can understand, which is shown on the first graph that shows the basic idea of the joystick, like what I just said. So in our future design, we are going to separate this circle into three parts. The first part is the no move part. The no move part is trying to avoid the problem that caused by the small error that different joysticks may have of their center point, since we cannot just assume that all the joysticks have the same ideal center point at 5 o'clock. The slightly move and the fast move parts are designed to meet different use by the users, to just improve their competency, since the user may want to see something carefully and clearly, that the slightly move will just be useful to them, but when the user want to change their view quickly as possible, the fast move is used to reduce their time cost.